Audi A3 2015, full original, like new. Karachi demands 60 lakh detailed review. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we bring you an exceptional Audi A3 Model 2015, a car known for its luxury, smooth performance, and premium German build quality. This particular unit is in full original condition, with no touch-ups, no dents, and a body that still shines like new. The owner has maintained it with great care, giving it a zero-meter feel that is rare to find in used luxury cars. This beautiful Audi A3 is registered in 2015, perfectly kept, and offers an excellent driving experience. Its powerful engine, comfortable interior, and modern features make it a complete package for anyone looking for high-end comfort within an affordable price range. Located in Karachi, Sindh, this car is available for a very reasonable demand of 60 lakh, making it one of the most attractive deals in the luxury segment. In this video, we will show you a full walk-around, interior review, feature highlights, and an honest condition check so buyers can see everything clearly. If you're looking for a clean, original, and classy luxury car, this Audi A3 2015 is definitely worth considering. Watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe. Like and subscribe thanks you.